I always start with the fundamentals. That's where I started my entire SEO journey. I started with a fantasy football blog when I was in university, and SEO came as icing on the cake, so to speak, after that. My number one goal was to create great content that I thought people who were interested in winning their fantasy football leagues would be interested in. That content happened to rank because people wanted that content. It starts by fundamentally understanding what type of content your audience wants and then delivering that to them, and then adding the SEO hat after that. Then you think about how can we improve this and ensure that the content that we're creating and that we're delivering is actually aligned with keywords. Let's dive into the keyword research. Let's uncover opportunities to get backlinks. Let's think about how we can position this the right way. All of those different things come secondary. A lot of people make the mistake of having too big of egos and they think we can rank for this phrase without doing any research into whether or not that's something that people look for. How can we optimize this from an on-site perspective? How can we ensure that the story that we're telling is going to be worth linking to? Those are the things that come afterwards when you start looking at site structure and things like that. First, you have to just put yourself in the customer's shoes and understand what type of content they want.